Alright, so we have a guest here today.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Zach has again had his preferred diet of pizza and soda. Let's see what he has.
And former Olympic teammates together back in Vancouver in 2010 are all on the double. Formerly of the Columbus Blue Jackets.
Sex on that.
Off the waiver wire. First time the Capitals
Sex on I need to sit up straight because I can't hurt. Startling your friend. Oh man. Call me Rocco. I'll call you Rocco, okay?
I'll call you Rocco, okay?
Okay. I'm gay.
Oh
damn it, no. Oh god, no,
We put in twice as much seed compared to their easy seed. We use a better mulch, and that's why we look at the difference.
Disastrous.
That was my thing. I really enjoyed building turbines. It's nice.
Oh god, no. Oh god, air got
Oh god.
The nitrates getting out of that soil.
What a tool. We're unorthodox. Those Willie Peggies or retards.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm having a burp attack. 6 in a row. I know, I was like trying to get a big one. Oh my god! Beautiful.
That was very, very, very clean.
That's decent.
It was nice of ACDC to provide the musical accompaniment with a band on the air guitar. Easily, the Jets working here on all night, stabled in back pursuit. Crowded easily by Joel Ward.
He always assumes his positions. I know, I gotta have the...
Point and Canoodle together
So
once again.
So you ready for your... You done?
Oh my god. What is this, like 17? It's been 2 minutes. Calm down.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Wow, I had like 7 straight bursts without even having to take another sip. 28. Those are little ones.
I don't think this room is big enough.
Jeez. I don't even know how these like originate. Like holy crap. Oh my god.
This is all in real time. Okay, that one's gonna have to be repeated. I hang out with the
I can't even burst. And then you go, Achoo! Dad, get my notebook! Dad, get my notebook!
Ow. Ow.
How is it even been?
Oh! I feel like I should like get some tips from you. I'll interview you later when you're done.
See, I don't even like, see, it's because I don't have much food. I only had like 4 pieces of pizza from like a normal amount for me.
This could be a record. Like, you're literally on record pace.
You're like 38. I'm gonna guess right now you're on 26.
This says 26.
Just keep that on record.
Sitting like lopsided,
Liquid is just like, I guess that's my problem right now.
it's not, doesn't have enough, it doesn't have like a straight path to go up. It takes it longer if you're like laying down, it takes it longer to go up for it to process.
It's just gross. This is only like a 10 by 12 room.
Yeah, this, like the room got like increased like 10 degrees because of my burn.
If we had like an infrared camera, you'd see like the entire room.
Contaminated.
So gross.
I can feel it working up now.
Yeah, you just breathe in. And like, if you'll breathe in, you'll feel like a lot, like you'll feel like air is literally like pushing all the way down to your stomach. Then you're like, you know, you have a good burp coming. It's like when you feel it. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Penis.
These guys suck. For all the viewers out there, just don't even be
I'm
jealous.
not even gonna take another sip. This is like the good luck soda. Oh
This
my god.
is just some sort of like a God-given talent.
Or disease.
It can't be coached. It can't be coached. It's just a natural kick.
What? Stupid bull.
Backhander. Where is that all coming from?
Andrew Nad scored. Nad. Andrew Ladd, I told him.
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna have to analyze that one.
This is ridiculous.
Like, this is literally a record.
He's like studying me.
Guys, you are literally witnessing something very special for this guy.
Oh, I should be on sports science for burping. The sports is me watching, and then science is my burping.
Saskatchewan.
I have not taken a sip in like 10 minutes. It's ridiculous.
Magic potion.
That was a little violent.
Oh my gosh. I can't even get over this. I can't.
Oh my god. You should like check the temperature in this room. Open a window or something.
Before and after.
It's ridiculous.
Yes! Yeah!
Okay. So
Austin's have like 2.
Alright,
You haven't had 1.
So if we're
I'm
gonna,
at like 65.
if we're gonna keep score, it's 37 or something like that to 1 to 0.
Oh, let's do it.
I don't understand this.
I seriously think you
Goal.
surpassed.
I'm calling a goal. Oh wow, who selfishly does that?
I think you've surpassed like the last 2 episodes. 5 minutes.
I'm not taking a sip in like 20 minutes.
He has not sipped.
20 minutes. That's a long time. Where's it coming from?
I don't know.
Air?
Yeah, I'm just getting like a good like.
It's not even carbonated there, it's just air.
I have like a clear pipe just for me to suck in and blow back out because I'm not stuffed with food. Thank God.
I'm trying to break this clip up a little bit, but this is just consecutive.
This is like it's like a all having been like. Oops. I gotta step it up.
52 to 2. You just see a doctor. Terrifying. Like your stomach is literally this big.
I'm making a comeback.
Yeah. Like the ratio is like 1 burp to like 12 of his.
I need to burp every second for the next like 10 minutes and get back.
Come on, man. Guinness Book of World Records.
Hey, can I help you, buddy? Oh, good. Ice cold excitement meet Rocky Mountain Cold official beer of the NHL.
Oh.
Well,
That'd be so fun if there's nothing around and you have that icy, big, warm
Slides.
I'm putting it up on.
Kizashi.
Alright. I'm officially opening a window.
I've been at my temperature right now. Oh my god, 48.
Honestly, hope nobody's walking. Oh man, it wasn't recording.
What?
I'm just kidding.
I knew he was kidding.
You're like, oh. Cannon.
It's ridiculous. It's like a never-ending fuse.
Like, this is, I don't see how this can be biologically possible.
It's insane. This is like a video full of action. Like, there's like me, like not even any commentary.
You literally have enough burps for an entire episode. 2 episodes in 5 minutes.
The good news is you don't have to do that much editing.
Oh my gosh. I like that he swirled the tongue. Actually, it's something we haven't seen. Like literally walk us through this. What is processing? What is happening? What is click? What? Here's
Just my breathing in through a clear, open windpipe.
What is the one main factor that you could attribute this success to? Like, what have you done today that you don't usually do?
Maybe it's the way I'm sitting. I've never sat this straight in any of the videos. Like, cause I remember eating dinner, I was like slouched like this. I'm like perfectly straight right now.
That's true.
More leverage.
Let me try that then.
You haven't burped yet, Jimmy.
No. See, example of a normal person? No, like a normal person, like a little below normal.
Below normal?
Or like
above normal.
Above normal.
There you go.
And then like completely
superior.
Abnormal. I don't know whether I should watch TV or just watch Zach.
I need more action than Zach.
It's so distracting. I'm trying to watch it.
Literally every 4 seconds, approximately, there's a burp. There we go. Son of a biscuit. What's wrong with you?
This must be some sort of disease. What does your doctor say?
I don't know. Wait a minute. Remember Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Didn't someone on that show have a burping problem? No. You sure?
I think so.
How about Harry Potter? Harry Potter, someone had a burping disease, right? Really? No, they burped up slugs. That was through up slugs.
They're not being as bad as this. Can't get over that.
I'm probably way over like I'm gonna get over 100 at this rate.
Oh my god! Man burps 100 times.
Don't laugh. Jimmy has to assume the position.
You stole mine.
Dude, I'm gonna get like over 100 by the end of this.
Literally, it's been 15 minutes in this quarter, not even. He's got like 80 burps.
Uh-oh. Hey, good vocalization. Haven't heard that from Zach. That was literally rich. That was rich, and I can classify that. Very saturated.
That'd be awful.
Still got a half a soda left.
It's been cliche by now.
How the hell did yawning help that?
That was a squeaker. I thought it was really rich at first, and then it just
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh. I killed it.
That's me. Average like 20 burps per minute.
Like literally, where are they all going? We could just, it's like,
So you can just taste it.
you know what's gonna happen?
Range Rover Swole.
Somebody's gonna walk in this room and gonna be like, what happened?
Land Rover's fault.
Land Rovers are...
The Austin sneeze and yeah.
I hang out with a bunch of retards.
I do not understand this.
It like
I literally don't have an explanation anymore.
it got old 10 minutes ago.
Holy shit. First 30. They're all just as long as each other though.
I have no idea what to make of this.
That was forced.
It was forced.
First rounder for Washington in the summer of '07.
Oh, tripping.
Interference on the black man.
Looks just like you.
No, I think I might have my first one. Good joke.
Ball from bottom. Mike just took it.
I got beat.
Took your glory.
If somebody has to make some sort of competition about this.
Okay, once they see this, they're gonna go insane.
I love your burping. It turns me on so much stack. I love your burping.
Dude, Kalen saw this right now. Oh my god, she would just throw up and be like, oh my god.
Shout out to you, Kaylin. You're a biscuit.
Yeah, shout out. Oh. Got him.
It seats only 15,000. They can rip it up like few other
God.
in the NHL.
Oh my god. I'm gonna like start like coughing up my innards.
Every ounce of air that could possibly be in your body is coming up.
Marcus Johansson doesn't get it out.
Might get a hemorrhoid.
I know, right? Thank you.
Now you know. Learn something new every day, ladies and
You
gentlemen.
learn something new every day.
In his career, he has scored more.
Oh, they died down.
Does it smell like fire to you, or is that just Zach's
It
energy?
does smell like fire.
Yeah, there's a fire outside.
If I lit a match, you never know what can happen.
This room might explode.
He had the game winner in this building the last time the Cavs were in December, and it came.
It's almost like I'm getting tired of burping. It's like I'm exhausted. Like seriously, not even the end of the first period, I only have like over 100 burps, I bet you. I swear, I probably have over 100.
I think we all have that kind of friend. Not really.
We do.
Oh, I had one and it went away.
Scared it away.
They don't want to mess with me. Oh, this is Kayla out. She doesn't want to know what we're doing. Gabe.
She texted you? Who was it?
I don't know, maybe.
Gabe. Gabe's a babe.
Zach, it says low battery.
What? Why does your thing say low
It
battery?
says low battery. We just lost one.
Out of the 80.
Seriously, we need to go like through that. Wait, you have the chords?
What? Isn't this your cord?
Oh my god.
That was thick.
Oh,
That was really disgusting.
it's disgusting, man.
I think I landed my first one again.
That was rich.
You should get him filmed.
Oh wow, there we go.
Shut up.
Alright guys, we're gonna play some NHL. Didn't we have another tournament going on?
What are you doing?
Choking us?
I'll get you.
The end of the first period. We need to like calculate how many bursts I actually had. Jimmy, what?
If you want to go on the computer and check it out.
Yeah. Let's go check it out. Oh, that was stinging my nose.